Australia, a land of diverse and unique wildlife. Among its many inhabitants is a creature of both fascination and debate, the dingo. This wild dog, with its piercing gaze and tawny coat, has long captivated the imagination. Is it a true wild animal, or a feral descendant of domestic dogs? The dingo's place in Australian history and ecology is complex and multifaceted. Revered by some Aboriginal Australian cultures, it is also perceived as a threat to livestock by others. This enigmatic canine has sparked countless debates and scientific inquiries. In this exploration, we journey into the world of the dingo. We'll delve into its origins, behavior, and ecological significance. Join us as we unravel the mystery surrounding this iconic Australian predator. The dingo story is a testament to the power of adaptation and the intricate balance of nature. It is a story that continues to unfold as we learn more about this remarkable creature. The dingo's journey to Australia began thousands of years ago. Genetic evidence suggests that dingoes descended from domesticated wolves in Southeast Asia. They arrived on the Australian continent with seafaring people, likely from the Indonesian archipelago. The exact timing of their arrival remains a subject of ongoing research. However, it is generally accepted that dingoes have been present in Australia for at least 3,500 years. Upon arrival, they found a land teeming with prey and relatively few competitors. Dingoes quickly established themselves as apex predators, playing a crucial role in shaping the Australian ecosystem. Their presence influenced the distribution and abundance of native species. Over time, they have adapted to the diverse environments of their adopted continent. From the arid deserts to the lush rainforests, dingoes have carved their niche in the Australian landscape. Their story is a fascinating example of how a species can journey across continents and thrive in a new environment. While dingoes share a common ancestor with domestic dogs, they possess distinct characteristics that set them apart. These differences are both physical and behavioral, reflecting their adaptation to a life in the wild. Dingoes typically exhibit a lean, athletic build, well suited for endurance and agility in their hunting pursuits. Their coat color often varies depending on their geographical location, ranging from the classic sandy yellow to darker shades of brown and black. Unlike most domestic dogs, dingoes typically breed only once a year. Their breeding season is closely tied to the availability of food and resources. Dingo pups are born blind and rely heavily on their mothers for nourishment and protection. They grow rapidly and reach sexual maturity within their first year of life. Dingoes are highly social animals, living in packs with defined hierarchies and social structures. These packs are essential for their survival, allowing them to cooperate in hunting, raising pups, and defending their territories. Understanding these distinctions is key to appreciating the unique ecological role of dingoes in Australia. Dingoes occupy a crucial position at the top of the Australian food chain. As apex predators, they exert a significant influence on the delicate balance of their ecosystem. Their presence helps to regulate populations of prey animals, such as kangaroos, wallabies, and rodents. This, in turn, prevents overgrazing and promotes plant diversity. The dingo's impact extends beyond their direct prey. By keeping herbivore numbers in check, they indirectly benefit other species that rely on the same plant resources. Their presence can also influence the behavior and distribution of other predators, such as feral cats and foxes. In areas where dingo populations are healthy, these introduced predators often have a reduced impact on native wildlife. The dingo's role as an apex predator highlights the interconnectedness of species within an ecosystem. Their presence, or absence, can have cascading effects that ripple through the entire food web. Dingoes are opportunistic hunters, adapting their strategies to the availability of prey in their environment. They are known to employ a variety of techniques, from stealthy stalking to cooperative hunting in packs. Their keen senses, including sharp eyesight, acute hearing, and a powerful sense of smell, make them formidable predators. When hunting larger prey, such as kangaroos, dingoes often work together to bring down their target. They may take turns chasing and harassing the prey until it is exhausted, or they may use their numbers to surround and ambush it. Smaller prey, such as rabbits and rodents, are often hunted individually. Dingoes use their speed and agility to chase down their quarry, delivering a fatal bite to the neck or head. Their diet is diverse and varies depending on their location and the time of year. They are known to consume a wide range of animals, including reptiles, birds, and insects. This adaptability in their hunting strategies and diet is crucial to their survival in the often harsh Australian environment. Dingoes are highly social animals, living in packs that can range in size from a few individuals to over a dozen. These packs are typically led by an alpha male and female who are responsible for breeding and maintaining order within the group. Pack members communicate with each other through a complex system of vocalizations, body language, and scent marking. Howls, barks, growls, and whines convey a range of messages, including warnings, greetings, and summons to gather. Body postures, tail wags, and facial expressions also play a vital role in communication, signaling aggression, submission, or playfulness. Scent marking through urination and defecation is used to establish territories and communicate with other packs. These territorial boundaries are fiercely defended, and encounters between rival packs can be aggressive. The social structure of dingo packs is essential to their success as predators and their ability to thrive in challenging environments. Dingoes have evolved a remarkable suite of adaptations that allow them to survive in the diverse and often challenging Australian environment. Their lean, athletic build and incredible stamina allow them to cover vast distances in search of food and water. Their sandy-colored coats provide excellent camouflage in the arid outback, helping them to ambush prey and avoid detection by predators. Dingoes are also well adapted to coping with extreme temperatures. Their thick fur provides insulation during cold desert nights, while their efficient panting mechanism helps them to regulate body heat during the scorching daytime hours. Their ability to survive on a relatively low water intake is another crucial adaptation for life in arid regions. They obtain moisture primarily from their food and can go for extended periods without drinking. These remarkable adaptations are a testament to the power of natural selection and the dingo's ability to thrive in one of the world's most challenging environments. The relationship between dingoes and humans in Australia is long and complex, marked by both reverence and conflict. For thousands of years, Aboriginal Australians have coexisted with dingoes, recognizing their role in the ecosystem and incorporating them into their cultural beliefs and practices. In some Aboriginal cultures, dingoes are considered to be totem animals, representing strength, cunning, and loyalty. They have been known to interact with dingoes, sometimes even keeping them as companions or hunting partners. However, the arrival of European settlers in the 18th century brought about significant changes in the dingo-human dynamic. The introduction of livestock, particularly sheep, led to conflicts as dingoes preyed upon these vulnerable animals. This resulted in widespread persecution of dingoes, including trapping, poisoning, and shooting. Today, the relationship between dingoes and humans remains complex and often fraught with challenges. The conservation status of dingoes in Australia is a subject of ongoing debate and concern. While dingoes are not currently considered endangered, their populations face numerous threats, including habitat loss, fragmentation, and interbreeding with domestic dogs. Hybridization with domestic dogs poses a significant threat to the genetic integrity of pure dingo populations. Efforts are underway to protect and conserve dingoes and their ecological role in Australia. These efforts include managing wild dog populations through humane methods such as trapping and desexing to minimize conflicts with livestock. Public education and awareness campaigns are also crucial to fostering a greater understanding and appreciation for dingoes and their importance in the Australian ecosystem. Conservation strategies often focus on promoting responsible pet ownership to prevent interbreeding and reducing habitat loss and fragmentation through land management practices. The long-term survival of dingoes in Australia depends on our collective efforts to mitigate these threats and ensure their continued presence in the wild. Despite decades of study, many mysteries still surround the dingo. Ongoing research continues to shed light on their genetics, behavior, and ecological role. Scientists are using cutting-edge technology, such as GPS tracking and DNA analysis, to gain a deeper understanding of dingo movements, social interactions, and evolutionary history. Researchers are also investigating the dingo's role in suppressing populations of introduced predators, such as feral cats and foxes, and its potential benefits for native wildlife conservation. Further research is needed to fully comprehend the complex interactions between dingoes, their environment, and other species. Understanding the factors influencing dingo population dynamics, dispersal patterns, and responses to human activities is crucial for developing effective conservation and management strategies. By continuing to unravel the secrets of this enigmatic canine, we can better appreciate its ecological significance and ensure its long-term survival as an integral part of Australia's natural heritage.